In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your document to landscape orientation for the entire document. If you're working with wide tables, charts, images, or anything that needs extra horizontal space, switching to landscape is a quick way to make everything fit more comfortably across the page. Landscape simply means your page will be wider than it is tall, the opposite of portrait. Here's how to do it in a clear, simple way. At the top of your screen, you'll see the ribbon, which is the strip of tabs and tools that runs across your document window. Look for the tab labeled Layout. This tab contains page-level settings that affect how your entire document is structured, such as margins, size, and orientation. Go ahead and select the Layout tab to bring its controls into view. Within Layout, find the Page Setup section. In that group, you'll see a button labeled Orientation. This button opens a small menu with two choices, Portrait and Landscape. Click Orientation to open that menu, and then choose Landscape. As soon as you choose Landscape, the page will flip to a wider layout. This change applies to the entire document, so every page in your file will now use Landscape orientation. You'll notice the page boundary on screen becomes wider, and your content may reflow to take advantage of the extra horizontal space. Text lines can stretch a bit farther, tables may display more columns on a single page, and wide images are less likely to be squeezed or broken across pages. A quick note about what's happening behind the scenes. Orientation doesn't change your margins or font sizes. It only changes the direction of the page. That means your margins stay the same unless you decide to adjust them separately at another time. Because the page is wider, you might see line breaks and page breaks shift slightly. That's normal and simply reflects the new shape of the page. This approach is ideal when your entire document needs the same look, ensuring consistent formatting from the first page to the last. If you're working in different versions of your word processor, the tab might be called Page Layout instead of Layout, but the orientation command works the same way. And that's it. By going to Layout, selecting Orientation, and choosing Landscape, you've switched your entire document to a wider, more spacious view that's perfect for broad content. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the cleaner, more readable pages in Landscape.